Welcome everyone. In today's session, we are going to cover what is artificial intelligence or AI. So let's start. What is artificial intelligence? As you see, AI is the simulation of human intelligence in machines programmed to think and learn. In simple definition, artificial intelligence is the ability of machines to think, learn, and make decisions similar to humans. It helps computers solve problems and improve through experience. And what are the examples of AI? Virtual assistants. Virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistants. And the next one is recommendation systems like Netflix, YouTube, Amazon, suggestions provided on these. And next, the chatbots. The customer support on websites like e-commerce websites where you will see the chatbots which are chats with the human regarding products information. And then self-driving cars. Tesla and other autonomous vehicles are the examples of AI. Here question arises where we use AI. So real world use cases in healthcare, AI helps doctors detect diseases from X-rays and MRI scans. In finance sector, AI detects fraud in banking transactions. And if we see the AI in e-commerce industry, the personalized product recommendation system are the real world use case of AI. And if we see the transportation sector, then we see the Google Maps predicting fastest routes with live traffic. So these are the some of the real world use cases of AI. I hope you are clear about AI, where we use AI, if we learn AI, and what are the examples of AI where in today these are using. So AI is the ability of machines to think, learn, and make decisions similar to humans. It helps computers solve problems and improve through experience. So what is generative AI? Generative AI or Gen AI is a type of artificial intelligence that can create new content such as text, images, music, or code by learning patterns from existing data. Or we say the generative AI is the branch of AI that enables machines to generate original ideas, designs, and solutions, not just analyze or predict. Or we say generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that can create new content such as text, images, music, or code by learning from existing data. So, generative AI is nothing but a type of artificial intelligence that can create new content such as text, images, music, or code by learning from existing data. And some are the examples of generative AI. The ChatGPT is the example of Gen AI or the generative AI. ChatGPT basically writes text, answers questions, and creates stories. So these are the example of generative AI, how generative AI is implemented in real world projects. And we say the Dell E or Midjourney generates realistic images and artwork, and GitHub Copilot helps developers write and fix code. And if we see the stable diffusion creates AI powered graphics. So these are the popular examples of generative AI in real world industry. And if we see The real world use cases where we apply the generative AI. If we see the education sector, the personalized learning materials and instant tutoring, and if we see the healthcare, the drug discovery and medical image generation, and if we see the generative AI in marketing, creating ads, product descriptions, and social media content, and if we apply the generative AI in entertainment, AI generated music, movies, and game characters are the used cases of generative AI. And if we apply the in business domain, the automating reports or chatbots and presentations are the example and real world use cases of generative AI where we apply generative AI. So here question arises, why learn generative AI? Generative AI is a future skill in demand across industries, boosts creativity and productivity, and generative AI saves so much time by automating repetitive tasks, as well as the generative AI. If you learn generative AI and want to build career in generative AI, the open opportunities in AI development like data science and startups. And some are the advantages of learning generative AI. If you want to learn generative AI, stay ahead in technology trends, build smart application with real world impact, and enhance problem solving with AI powered tools. And if you learn generative AI, then the advantage will be improved career opportunities in AI, software, and data fields. I hope this will make sense for you. If you are new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and like.